Hi, scholars. It's Miss Mayfield again, and today we're going to do another phonemic awareness activity. The learning goal for this lesson is students will be able to compare initial sounds in words and determine if they share the same sound. So let's review. What are sounds? So yesterday we learned sounds are things we hear. And we know with our ears we hear all different kinds of sounds, such as a telephone ringing, a dog barking, a cat meowing, and sirens from a fire truck. But we also learned that the words we speak are made up of sounds. Today we're going to continue to talk about initial sounds. So remember, when you hear the word initial means beginning, and beginning means first. So I am going to say the names of the pictures. And as I say each name, I'm going to think about the initial sound, that first sound. So for example, turtle, tape. Turtle, tape. So the first sound I hear in turtle and tape is t. Now let's try this one. Ball, boat. You say it. Ball, boat. What is the initial sound? The first sound in ball and boat is b. Now let's try this one. Fish, fence. You say it. Fish, fence. What sound do you hear? What's the first sound you hear? Right? The first sound in fish and in fence is. Now you try. Dog, duck. Dog, duck. What is the first sound you hear in dog and duck? If you said d, you are absolutely correct. Let's try this one. Candy, cookie. You say it. Candy, cookie. What sound do you hear? If you said k, you are absolutely correct. Today, I want us to focus on sounds that are different. So we have to think, which sound does not belong? So I see a picture of a dolphin. I see a picture of a dice. I see a picture of an octopus. And I also see a picture of a dog. Dolphin, dice, octopus, dog. Which sound does not belong? Well, I'm going to say octopus. This octopus does not belong because octopus begins with the ah sound. Dolphin begins with the d sound. Dice begins with the d sound. Dog begins with the d sound. And again, octopus begins with the ah sound. So the octopus does not belong. Let's try it again. Which sound does not belong? We have a jar. We have a jellyfish. We have a tiger. And we have jelly beans. Let's say it again. Jar, jellyfish, tiger, jelly beans. Which sound does not belong? If you said tiger, you are absolutely correct. Because tiger begins with the t sound. However, jar begins with the j sound. So does jellyfish and jelly beans. Let's try this one. We have a rainbow. We have giraffe. We have a radio. And here goes a rabbit. One more time. Rainbow, giraffe, radio, rabbit. Which sound does not belong? If you said the giraffe, you're absolutely correct because giraffe begins with the j sound, whereas rainbow, radio, and rabbit all begins with the r sound. All right, scholars, now it's time for you guys to try it on your own. Here is the independent practice problems. Okay, guys, you're going to determine which one does not belong. All right, scholars, can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.